Hello everyone, welcome to Emma's Family English. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here today.
Hello everyone, I'm Daniel. It's wonderful to have you here.
Today we're learning about greetings and introductions. Here we learn real-life English through everyday conversations.
No difficult grammar, no boring lessons, only practical English that you can use every day.
Daniel, something happened yesterday.
Really? What happened?
Our daughter, Lily, went to the park. She met some children, they smiled at her, they wanted to play with her. But Lily didn't know how to start talking.
That's actually a very common problem. Not only for children. Many adults also feel nervous.
Sometimes people know English, but they don't know how to begin.
Exactly. They keep thinking,
Should I say hello, hi, good morning? What should I say next? And because of that, they stay quiet.
hey, we're going to change that.
Today, you'll learn how to greet someone naturally, how to introduce yourself, and how to continue the conversation.
The best part, we'll learn through a real conversation.
Let's visit the park and see how two strangers become friends. Daniel, this park is beautiful. There are so many families here today.
Yes, I love coming here. Everyone looks happy. Some people are walking, some are reading books, and look, those children are having so much fun.
Daniel, look over there. Poor Lily. She wants to play, but she doesn't know how to talk to them.
I think many people feel like Lily, even adults.
Sometimes,
We want to say something, but we don't know how to begin.
exactly. Have you ever felt like that? You see someone friendly, but your mind becomes completely blank.
You start thinking, should I say hello, hi, good morning, or should I just walk away?
Don't worry, today we'll show you how easy it is. Let's imagine I'm meeting someone for the very first time.
A great way to practice.
She looks friendly. Maybe I should say hello. Hello, is this seat free? Yes, of course, please have a seat. Thank you. It's such a lovely day today. Yes, the weather is beautiful. I love coming here. Me too. By the way, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Sophia. It's very nice to meet you too.
Did you notice something? Emma didn't start with difficult English.
She simply started with one small sentence. Is this seat free? Then she talked about the weather. And finally, she introduced herself.
That's exactly how real conversations begin.
Many English learners think they need perfect English. But that's not true. People don't expect perfection. They just want a friendly conversation.
One smile, one greeting, one simple question can start a wonderful friendship.
Greeting is the foundation of every conversation. Whenever we meet someone, the very first thing we do is greet them. A good greeting makes people feel comfortable. It shows that you are friendly, kind, and confident.
That's right, Emma.
Let's practice some.
That's absolutely right, Emma. Many English learners spend a lot of time learning grammar, but they forget something very important. They don't know how to start a conversation naturally.
And without a greeting, it's difficult to begin any conversation. So, instead of saying only hello, let's learn some other common greetings. These are greetings that native speakers use every day.
If you're meeting someone during the day, you can say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. These greetings are polite and perfect for everyday situations. If you're talking to your friends or someone you already know, you can use hi.
Hi there. Hey. These sound friendly and relaxed.
Now imagine you're meeting someone for the very first time. After greeting them, you can say nice to meet you or pleased to meet you. Both are polite and very common.
Now let's talk about asking how someone is doing. You can say, how are you? How's it going? Or what's up?
That's a great question, Emma. If someone asks, how are you? Here are some natural answers. I'm good, thanks. I'm doing well. I'm fine, thanks. Not bad. Pretty good. I'm great.
And don't forget, it's always polite to ask the other person the same question. You can simply say, how about you?
Or,
And you. It's a small question, but it shows that you care about the other person.
exactly. Conversations are not only about speaking, they're also about listening and showing interest in the other person. That makes the conversation feel natural.
That's so true, Daniel. Those were some wonderful examples, Daniel. Now, let's see how all these greetings sound in a real-life conversation. We'll go back to the park and watch two people meet for the very first time. Are you ready?
Let's go!
Thanks for watching our video.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Bye, see you in the next video.
Bye!
See you!